Codependency is giving your power away. Codependency is giving your power away to someone or something that you deem more important, wiser than you, smarter than you, more needier than you, and you lose free will. You don't get to choose anymore. Yeah, you have the ability to choose, but your pattern says, I'll choose the Bible. I'll choose the tarot cards before I make a decision. I'll choose taking care of my mother 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, instead of getting someone to come help and give you a break so you can be yourself. Or your relationship. You're in a relationship that all the energy goes to one person.